video, we will see how to find partial derivative of implicit functions using Jacobian. We already see how to find the partial derivative, but in this video, we will see the derivatives by using Jacobian. So suppose one equation is given. We have only one equation. Then make it as a function. When you are making the function, take care the right hand side it should be equal to 0. Then we have to prepare this formula del x by del u. If the question is find del x by del u or if the question is del x by del v. So how to remember this formula? Suppose I have to find del x by del u. Then remember this negative sign. In every term there is a negative sign. Take the entry of the function. Remember, we have only one function, so you have to take the entry of that function first. So I write this negative sign, then the entry of the function, that is del f, and this del f. Now, what I have to write at denominator? So first we will see this numerator term. I take the entry of this del f now. Now I have to write denominator. So see, the denominator is del u. This denominator is del u. Copy that del u here, because this is the denominator. This is numerator, this is denominator, and here also this is numerator, this is denominator. So you have to write this denominator here, del u upon then del f upon this del. Del x is nothing but numerator, because we know denominator and its denominator is always numerator. So what is numerator here? Del x is numerator, so you have to write del x here. Okay, so how to remember this formula? First take this negative sign, entry of this del f first, then denominator you have to write here del u, and here denominator is you have to write this del x. Suppose I have to find this del x by del v. Again, same logic we will apply for finding this del x by del v. I take this negative sign, then entry of the function. I write this del f, okay. I write this del f, that is the entry of the function. Now I have to write denominator here. What is the denominator here? That is del v. So I just copy this del v here. So del v upon. I have to write numerator here. What is numerator? This is del x. So I have to write here del x. Okay. Suppose del x by del w. You have to find del x by del w. Again the same logic. Take negative sign. Entry of the function first. Del f and del f. That is the entry of the function. Upon. Again I have to write denominator here. So here I have to write denominator. So what is denominator? That is del w. So I write here del w. Upon numerator you have to write here del x. Now this is for the one function, or suppose one equation is given, then you have to apply this formula. But suppose there are two functions, or we can say there are two equations are given. Then from that two equations you have to form two functions. I make functions f1 and f2. I name it as f1 and f2. Now for that function I have to find this del u by del x. There are two functions now, and I have to find del u by del x. So same logic again we are applying. There is again negative sign. We have to take entry of that two functions now. Now we have two functions, so we will take the entry of that two functions by taking del of f1 f2, and here also del of f1 f2. Now the question is arise, what I have to write at denominator? So remember the pair. This u comes from, see, there are two pairs, u, v, w, and the second pair is x, y, z. First pair is u, v, w, and the second pair is x, y, and j. Remember this pair. So if I have to write this del u by del x for two functions, for one function these formulas are fine, okay, but for two functions. Now del u by del x, we will first write this negative sign and take the entry of these two functions. Now first thing you have to write the denominator first here. You have to write denominator. If you follow these steps, देखो अगर ये steps आप लोग follow करते हो तो formula में गलती नहीं होगी. So what I have to do? I have to write first denominator. See, Here numerator is u, and what you know, this numerator is nothing but denominator's denominator. Numerator काय असतो तर denominatorचा denominator, right? So del u, and this u comes from the pair uv, so we will write here del of uv. Now what I have to write here? Now only this term is remaining. What I have to write here? So see this u, I have to replace this u by x now. This u replaced by x now. So I write here del uv. Now this u replaced by x, and remaining variable keep as it is. See here, I write del of x comma v. Why x comma v? Because I replace this u by the term x. Why? Because you have to find del u by del x. Okay. Suppose I have to find del u by del y. Del u by del y is equal to, take this negative sign, because of two functions, take the entry of that two functions. So del of f1 comma f2, del of f1 comma f2. Now I have to write denominator. So first we write this. What is the numerator first? See, the numerator is u. So write the pair, that is uv. Now what I have to replace? This u replaced by this y now. u replaced by y. तो जहाँ पे भी u है, देखो यहाँ पे y replace किया है. Instead of u, I write here y, and remaining variable I keep as it is. Suppose I have to find del v by del x. Suppose del v by del x, again the negative sign, take the entry of two functions, del f1 f2, del f1 f2. Now I have to write the denominator of both these functions. So what is the denominator here? Again the numerator is v. So v from the pair u comma v. V is from the pair u comma v. Now what I have to replace? This v I have to replace by x. So see, this u I keep as it is, and this v replaced by x here. Suppose I have to write del v by del y. There are two functions, so take negative sign, entry of that two functions. Again I have to write first these things. So v comes from the pair u comma v. And what you have to replace now? V replaced by y. Here when we write, we replace this v by y. So देखो यहाँ पे u as it is रखा है और v की जगह y replace किया है. Okay, this is for the two functions. But when there are three functions now, f1, f2 and f3. Now there are three functions. Same logic again we are applying. If I have to find del x by del u, again the negative sign is common. Then entry of three functions now, that is del f1, f2, f3. Again del f1, f2, f3. This is common. Now I have to write denominator. दोनों को अभी denominator लिखना है. So what is numerator here? The numerator is x. X from the pair x, y, z. So I write here del of x, y, z. Now replacement. Now replace this x by this u. Replace x by u. So देखो x की जगह मैंने यहाँ पे u लिखा है और बाकी जो remaining variables है I keep that variables as it is. If I have to find del y by del w. Del y by del w. Again the negative sign as it is. Take the entry of three functions, del f1, f2, f3. Here also del f1, f2, f3. I have to write denominator now. Again the y. Y comes from the pair x, y and z. Now what you have to replace? I have to replace this y by this w now. Because you have to find del y by w, you have to replace this y by this variable w. Baki. So this x as it is, replace y by w, and this z as it is. The remaining variables you have to keep as it is, only replace this thing. Okay.